Okay, welcome back to this final section of this course. Now I'm planning on doing some more advanced training throughout, the next couple of months. I'll be adding more to this course as we go, but for now, this is the final section, which is basically all about how you can increase and basically 10x your results with the secret affiliate machine. Now, I compiled a list of resources and programs that, depending on what your needs are, you can join and check out for yourself if you would like to, and if you are still hungry for more information. Okay, and this is all optional. So I just wanted you to let you know about the things that help me very much in my business and help me get more results, especially with the secret affiliate machine funnel. Okay, so the first thing that I want you to check out, most likely and definitely because it's free, is if you go to the resources section. Where's my mouse? There it is. To the resources section, you should know it by now, and go all the way down. Go all the way down to step number 7, where it says unlock additional free ClickFunnels affiliate marketing training. Now, the cool thing about ClickFunnels is not only do they have an amazing website builder and cool products and, just a great coaching products in general, they also have a free training program for their affiliates. Okay, so since we are affiliates of ClickFunnels, as we use the secret affiliate machine, this is another great resource you can check out completely for free. And this is for you, especially if after this course you're still a bit overwhelmed and don't really know if you can pull this off, and if there's still a lot of questions in your mind, and that's definitely something that you need to check out if that's the case. But also, if you're excited and you feel confident, still this is a great resource just to maybe clear up some additional questions. So if you go ahead and click on Access the Affiliate Bootcamp here, you want to click on this and it will open up the Affiliate Bootcamp. Okay, and it's a really nice little course that they created, and you can join the 100-day challenge. You put in your email address and tell them I'm ready to go. So I'm going to do that just now. Ready to go. And boom, there you are. So you see there's 12 days, which, they unlock each video in each section after 1 day. And you can see there's this first video. It's a 20-minute video, and they really take you by the hand. I mean, this is designed for people who really never gotten in touch with affiliate marketing and just want to learn about how they can promote ClickFunnels, okay? And one of the ways, of course, is this whole course is the secret affiliate machine. And I highly recommend you check out the Affiliate Bootcamp because it's pretty fun to watch, and you probably learn a couple of things here and there. So that's the first thing that I want you to recommend. You can access it anytime through the resources website of this Udemy course under step number 7, the Affiliate Bootcamp. Okay, so in the next section, we're going to talk about a cool service which sets up the secret affiliate machine for you.